Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel That Happy Soul. My name is Komal and in my channel you will see me making curly hair videos in which I share curly hair tips, curly hair care, product reviews and all things about curly hair. And today I will review the whole product line of Haas Curl. So without further ado, let's start the video. So starting with the basics, they have these two, one shampoo and one conditioner. So the shampoo says is moisturizing shampoo that maintains and protect curls. I would like to mention here that this shampoo is not CG approved as it has sodium C14 and 16 olefin sulfonate, which is usually found in clarifying shampoo only, and the clarifying shampoos are meant to be used like in a 15 days or once in a month. So this one, because of that ingredient, is not CG approved, but I have been using it regularly like once in a week and it doesn't dry out my hair. I am literally loving this shampoo. This is very creamy. I'll show you the texture of this shampoo. It's very creamy. The fragrance is very nice and it comes with coconut oil, argan oil and vitamin E, which means all these three important things are in this shampoo, and my hair is literally loving this shampoo. It has great leather. If you have enough water and your hair is having enough of the water, then this will give you a very good leather, and if shampoo is having a very good leather, then it's a steal deal for me because I don't like shampoo without leather. And as you can see, while shampooing I usually use my scalp massager so that I can get rid of the dirty scalp or the greasy scalp, which usually becomes in a 1 week because I do not wash my hair in between. I wash it after 5 to 6 days only. Other than that, this shampoo is free from sulfates, parabens, and also if you are a strictly CG girl, then you have to look the products whether they are okay for you or not, because I have told you the main ingredient that makes it not to be CG approved, which makes it not to be used like on a weekly basis, but it's okay to use once in a month. The another product that comes is the detangling conditioner, again with coconut oil, argan oil and vitamin E. So talking about the texture of the product, it is very good slippery. As you can see while showing this product, this is getting very slippery, which means it is a very good conditioner, because a good conditioner should have a very good slip. Then when you can detangle your knots and you can get rid of all the knots, and it is not too very heavy. Because I have used many of the conditioner which are very thick, so this is kind of very medium tangle. As you can see, I am detangling my hair. Do not forget to apply conditioner at the ends because it is the most driest part, so you need to put extra conditioner on your ends. And yes, this conditioner is CG approved, so don't worry, you can use it as much as you want. So I have detangled my hair with my fingers, and then you can use a white tooth comb. Also I got this white tooth comb from Hask as well, which helps me to detangle my hair every time. After shampooing and detangling, I have thoroughly washed my hair under the cold water and get rid of both the products. Now it's time to apply some intensive deep conditioner, or you can say it's time to give some little bit of treatment to my hair. So the third product that the Haas Curl Care has is this intensive deep conditioner. This comes in a tube form. The other two were in the bottle form. I like the packaging as well. So this one says that it is an intensive deep conditioner, and again it comes with coconut oil, argan oil and vitamin E. This one is CG approved. I have checked all the ingredients. They are all safe, free from all the harsh chemicals. The texture of this deep conditioner is, if I compare to Garnier hair mask, this is little bit thicker. Garnier is very light and very slippery, so this one is little bit thicker. I will apply this deep conditioner. Make sure that your hair is having good amount of water while applying the deep conditioner as well. Your hair should not be dripping wet, but it should have a good amount of water so that the product gets a good slip, and also it activates with the water. Once I have applied the deep conditioner, now with the help of any comb like a white tooth comb, I will spread all the product all over my hair, and then I will split it into two and do a twist curl. If by twisting your hair like this, if you see a good amount of water and product coming out of your hair or the twist, that means your hair is having good amount of product. So that's a sign. You can check how much you need to put the product on your hair. Now to have the good result of this deep conditioner, I'll put my hair into a low bun and keep it for a good 20 minutes so that the product has enough time to show its result inside the shower cap. And on top of that, I'll put a thermal heat cap so that the hair gets the good warmth and can show its 100% result. After keeping it for 20 minutes, now I have washed it thoroughly under the cold water, and my hair is now free from all the products. It's all clean, free from shampoo, free from conditioner, free from intensive deep conditioner as well. Now time to style. The best thing about Haas Curl Care is whenever any company makes a new product, they have like a one gel or a one cream, but they have launched like 4 products at once. They have leave-in, they have cream, they have jelly, and they have mousse. So starting with, you need to give that extra moisture. Use the Haas Curl Care 5-in-1 leave-in spray, which says up to 24 hours of frizz control. This helps to detangle and protect curl as well. This one is in a spray bottle. As you can see, a plastic bottle with a spray nozzle is here. The texture of this leave-in is very light, not exactly like a water, but little bit thick than the water, but still it's very liquidy in form. So directly spray onto your hair so that the actual products get saturated in your hair. So one thing that I didn't like about this is the fragrance of this leave-in. I didn't like the fragrance of this leave-in. The fragrance of all the other products are amazing. They have like very nice fragrance, but only this leave-in, it has little bit of like, you know, chemical kind of fragrance, which I didn't like. But when you use the other products like jelly, cream or mousse on top of this, then you will not feel or you will not have the fragrance of this leave-in. So it doesn't matter. But if you are using only this, then it is not that acceptable to me. So after applying the leave-in, or giving that extra moisture to your hair, now it's time to apply the curl defining cream, which again comes in a tube form, which is very nice. It's very easy to squeeze out the curl defining cream, which again says that it controls frizz and hydrate curls, and believe me, it does its work very well. I am in love with Haas Curl Care already, and this is my go-to curl define. I love this cream. This literally gives that extra moisture and that bounciness to my hair. Talking about the texture again of this curl defining cream, it is light, but still you will directly not apply the product. You obviously need to add some water and then only apply to your curls. I have emulsified this defining cream with water, and now I have applied like on top of my hair, covering all of my hair, and the fragrance is very nice. I forgot to mention that the leave-in that I used was not CG approved again, but the defining cream that I am using now is purely CG approved. So after applying the defining cream, now is the time to shape my curls, which I will do with curl shaping jelly. So this one is very little bottle, like as compared to the defining cream, this one is the little bottle and again comes with a nozzle. Also it is not very thick, it is quite liquidy. It has like hole 3. The texture of this jelly is very lightweight. I liked it because while styling my curls, I need something which has a, you know, good slip as well, and it's light. I want something that gives a good slip because I need to, you know, give shape to my curls. I need to roll my curls like in front. So I like this product as it has a good slip and it helps me to give a good curl definition or a good shape to my curls. Again, I love the fragrance of this jelly as well. So once I have styled my curls, now it's time to finally log those curls, or whatever experiment I have done, I have to log those. So with the help of the mousse, I will do that. This is the last product that Hask Curl Care offers. That's the Curl Enhancing Mousse. This one says this has like 1 and 2 second number of hold. So out of all the products of Hask Curl, this is my favorite. I love the fragrance of this product. I love the hold of this product. Like, my Hask Curl Care routine is not done until and unless I use this. This is already my second bottle. They sent me one bottle which I have already finished it, and this I bought myself because I am literally loving with this mousse. This mousse gives that extra volume or extra, you know, that protection to your hair. I'll show you the texture of this mousse. This is not thick other forms. It's very light in weight. Again, all the products of the Hask Curl Care are very light. As it mentions, it gives a hold of second number, but still it works very nice on my hair. As you can see, I have already shown you my hair. This mousse is like insane. This gives a very good volume. And regarding Hask Curl Care, what I would say is, because the whole line has the coconut oil, argan oil, vitamin E, what I have realized is hair gets that extra bounce and that extra shine, which I have realized in my hair. Hair becomes very shiny and also very voluminous. I will share all the photos. Number of times I have used this whole line all together, I have got insane results. In some of my big days even, in which I am very worried like whether I will have a good curl or not, I do not take risk, and I only use Hask Curl Care products. So because I know that this won't let me down and will give me 100% result, and that's why I use Hask Curl Care only. I love the packaging of all the 7 products. They are quite easy to use. Only the mousse obviously comes in bottles like this, and it's usually very difficult to take out the mousse. The only thing that irritates me sometimes is the mousse bottle. When it doesn't come, I have to put that extra energy to take out this product, but still, after having the good result, that's nothing in front of that which I can ignore, obviously. And yes, the packaging of all the products are very nice. The fragrance, I told you, I love the fragrance of these products, except the leave-in, which I didn't like, which has a little bit of chemical fragrance. The best thing is that these are available in the drugstore, and if you're in Australia, you can find these products in Priceline, and usually they range in like $14 to $15, but if you have off going on in Priceline, then you can get that in $7 to $8 as well. As I told you, this was my second bottle. I got this one for $8, and I also bought the another bottle of jelly, which was also 7.5 or $7, something like that. So yeah, that's a great deal for curly hair girls who have like spent like $30 or $40 for one product, and now you're getting like half of half. You're getting like half of half price for like one product. So that's a great deal. I am very happy with all the products that they have launched. The only thing that they don't have is an oil or a serum, which I had to use like from another brand. Maybe they will launch it later. Overall, I love this Hask Curl Care, and it always stays on my shelf. As you can see, it's right now also here, and it is never gonna leave my shelf now until unless they change the ingredients. If they stay with this ingredient, I'm obviously gonna stick with this product. I'm not gonna leave this. So this was my Hask Curl Care routine and my review, my views about this product line. And if you want to see like individual or a detailed review of the product, then go and check out my quick review in which I talk about the product in detail, their pros and cons, and whether they worked for me or not. I will share each and every product of Hask Curl Care as well in my quick review. Today I have also washed my hair with this curl care and you can see the results. I'm already loving this. Haas Curl Care not only gives you the proper definition, but along with that gives you the good volume, good shine, good bounce and healthy hair. What else you need? And also everything in budget. So if you want your curly hair routine to be in budget with healthy hair care, then I would suggest you to go and check it out, the product of Haas Curl Care. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Give a thumbs up and comment down below if you have used Haas Curl Care and your reviews, whether you liked it or you didn't like it, or any problem you have faced, or you have been loving this product like me. Please let me know. We can discuss over the comments, and then I will come with another video with another product with some tests and reviews and my own views. Until then, take care of your beautiful curls. Bye. I would like to thank Haas Care for choosing me and sending me this kit, in which I got 7 products including shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, defining cream, jelly, mousse and even the hair mask. So I was pretty much excited by using these products, and as well as I was scared because I have it's been like 2 years I have never used any product which was not CGM approved, but some of the products in these are not CGM approved. Let's see whether they have worked good for me or not, and yeah.